Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with the unboxing of MI Box 4K streaming device. So this supports 4K and make your normal devices into 4K, and this runs on HD TVs, for full HD TVs, 4K HDR TVs, and on the box you can see the price is 4999, but when you buy it on Flipkart you will get at a deal price of 3200. Make sure you buy the product from the link in the description. And also you can see the manual how to connect or set up your device. It's just few seconds guys, and if you have a smartphone which is of Android, then you can easily connect it from your smartphone and quick set it up. And in here you can see you get the MI selector box, remote, power adapter, HDMI cable, and user guide on this box. And let's move to the specifications of the remote. So this supports Google Assistant. There is a power on button and also Netflix and Amazon Prime dedicated buttons, volume up and down, and also menu section and enter section on it. So this is all about the remote, and here you can see there are no AAA batteries provided inside the box, and it's just slim and you can hold it, and it just weight a lightweight guys. It's not more weight like a TV remote. This is a very lightweight remote I can say, and I like it pretty good because of the lightweight. And let's move on to the adapter. So this comes with the power requirement of DC 5.2 volts and 2.1 amp, and this operates at a AC of 100 and to 240 volts input. And coming to the device features and specifications, and before that, HDMI port. Here you can see this is of 2.0. These are not gold plated one, this is normal one. And coming to the device features, so this comes with 2GB RAM, Dolby audio, and DTS 2.0 plus digital output, Android 9.0, Python plus apps and games with a storage of 8GB. We can install many more, and also Chromecast built-in, Google Assistant, Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar, YouTube apps provided inside the box. And this supports 4K HDR10 plus multi-decoder, and it weighs just 148 grams guys, so you can easily hold it. This also supports video resolution of 4K, 1080p, 720p, 576p, 480p up to 60 Hz. And also this comes with the material of plastic and metal layer on it. And here you can see the other content, like you can also listen to the songs from this device, watch photos, and also you can mirror your smartphone from the smartphone to TV, and you can watch the content using the Chromecast built-in. The voice command helps you to ask the questions on the TV, and this surprising feature that it has the USB port, and also you connect the USB devices to install the apps, and also data saver function which helps you to data save. And that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button.